So we received a complaint on the 21st, a written complaint, that there was a demand for 2 lakh rupees and monthly 25,000 rupees to be paid to PI Konkan Railway. The information was conveyed through another Konkan Railway police called Hussain. So accordingly, we registered the complaint by going through the transcripts recorded by the complainant, which had the ingredients of an FIR, and thereafter we laid a trap and caught both the people red-handed with an advance amount received by them for 25,000 rupees. So accordingly, they have been placed under arrest.
Sir, red-handed means both PI and that head constable have...
The transaction took place in the office of the PI, where the complainant, the Hussain and PI was present, and the 25,000 was recovered from the PI's drawer.
And what is the further course of action, sir?
For the course of action, investigations will tell.
Because you are SPHQ also, sir.
We will take the remand. We will make a request to place both of them under suspension, and we'll see from there on what happens.
So that in the transcription, when the conversation between the complainant and who was talking to the complainant on the
Hussain. Yeah. All the transcriptions recorded by us before the trap and after the trap was by Hussain.
But role of PI Gudlar is very much clear.
Yes.
Because at the time of receipt of money, PI Gudlar's voice and his conversation was also recorded.
This is how it came to, you are demanding this money for what purpose?
The complainant is a businessman from Belgaum who has a license to supply goat meat. So on 30th of April, Konkan Railway seized a consignment of bovine meat.
30th of April?
30th of March. They registered a case against unknown person, and since then they sent a message to this person to come and settle with the PI, or that they would have to arrest him in that case registered by them against unknown person. The complainant informed them that he got nothing to do with the seized consignment, and in spite of that, even on one occasion, this Hussain visited Belgaum and contacted the complainant while in Belgaum.